In this chapter, you will learn how to generate and purchase your traffic via solo ads, specifically focusing on solo owners. Mentioned in the previous module, in order to search for your intended mailing list, there are two approaches: 1, solo owners; 2, solo ads brokers. What's the difference between the two? Solo owners are individuals who own their own solo ads. They have established their own mailing lists where they will sell a solo ad to you, and is dependent on your market. Usually, solo owners will charge you by cost per click, CPC. This depends on how many customers are interested and click on your email for further information. Having said that, there are some downsides in opting to purchase your traffic from solo owners. As the name suggests, solo owners are only solo owners. Initially, most of them do have a specific mailing list for marketing and business purposes. But as their mailing list expands, many people inquire to purchase their lists where they have turned it into their main niche. Therefore, they are only interested in making money by selling you their lists. Sometimes it's possible that their mailing list does not even correspond to the advertisement that you intend to sell. This means you may be wasting resources as you're promoting your product to the wrong audience. Second, certain markets or niches have very few solo owners, as the market can be relatively new or it's not been explored much by consumers. For instance, markets that cater toward very specific products for very specific audiences. Example, supplements to control the sugar level of diabetes patients. As a result, you might find some difficulties in generating or finding suitable mailing lists for your via solo owners. Another drawback is, as the solo owners are charging you based on CPC, the conversions may be low. As stated earlier, some of the mailing lists would not entirely hit the bullseye for you, as the audiences are a mismatch. Now you've understood solo owners. In the next chapter, we cover another vehicle to generate your traffic, which is solo ads brokers.